Hello, this is a demonstration of Gunman Drift, a project which I took from a prototype all the way to a released game with advanced features. So, Gunman Drift is a game about driving, drifting, and shooting. I started this project with an already existing prototype which only had one map and some cars, some customization, driving, drifting, and shooting of targets. So for the game to be released, I had to set myself some additional goals. So with these goals, I decided that I needed to add audio, which you can hear right now. I added enemy turrets, which would shoot you. I've added screen shake, which adds more polish, as you can see when you explode. So for example, we have crates. And we have mastery missions. And these missions unlock rare paints. Also added additional paints in the course of this project, which you can unlock from opening crates. I've also added 2 new maps. As you can see, we have Volcano and the city. So another big task for this project was to add virtual reality support. So I'm going to show you how that works. So I've added it to Meta Quest 2, and as you can see, the game is playable in VR. So we can click play, and as you can see, there's audio here, and I can move around, shoot, drive, drift. It's, the exact same experience as the PC version, but just in VR. So I'll just quickly leave that. So I've also implemented an Android version as an additional goal. You can see the game running here. I'll quickly show you the desert map. So yeah, you can drive, aim, shoot. It works just like the PC and the VR version, so all of these versions are the same, they just operate with different controls and camera setups. So those are the main features. I added an additional feature for multiplayer support. So here you can see I can host a server with my username, and there's a room code. If I go on my phone, there's the multiplayer screen, and I can type in the code, and I can join the server. I can also join on VR. Alright, so you can see how I type it on that screen. Join the server. Although unfortunately, I've landed on my side. But that's okay. So first of all, none of the players can move because the host has to press space to start the race. So start the race, and I synchronize all the players, and it says that there's 3 players and that the computer is second and third out of 3. Now if I move the mobile player, as you can see, it's moving here. You can tell that they're first, and if I move the VR player, they can't move because they're flipped. If I move the PC player, they become second. If I move the VR player, they take over, and then they become second, and the player on the PC becomes last. So now let's say the host leaves. None of the games break. They just go back to the main menu. So yeah, there's no crashing, there's no other external issues. And that is it.